What's up, peeps? Me again. Back for another one. This time we're going to do something a little different. It's going to be a lowrider pickup truck with adjustable suspension. Hopefully. So, I don't have it yet, but I ordered the Red Cat lowrider bed dancer pickup truck body, which is a D.1 Nissan Hardbody. But I just wanted the body because I'm going to put it over a drift chassis. So I got a couple of candidates here, and here's what we got so far. I got this RDS that I'd really like to use. That'd be really fitting for this project. And I've got this Kyosho. Now, the internet say the wheelbase for the bed dancer is 264 millimeter. And this comes in right at about 260. Hopefully what I want to do is maybe cheat this back a little bit, put all them spacers on the front. That might just give me just enough wheelbase that I need to pull this off. I'd really like to use this because this is Red Cat, Red Cat chassis, Red Cat body. And then these are going to be, somehow I'm going to mount one of these on each corner somehow. And then run a servo horn to the shock. And somehow plug all this into a radio and make it work. So it's going to have this. One servo here. One servo here. And so on and so forth. Kind of like that. Just rough design at the moment. So I'm going to dig into it and give you some updates as they happen. Okay, folks, we're back. This is going to be the rough outlay of the setup I'm about to use. I got these little Mizui servos. They're Metal Gear servos. These are the old shocks off my Kyosho. That's about what I'm going to do for the rear. This is about the easiest way to do it for the rear. Unfortunately, because we have a spur gear right here, I really can't lay them down on their sides. I might be able to lay them outward, maybe. But right now, this seems to be like the most effective solution for the rear. And as far as the front goes, this is what we got going on for the front. I was able to trim that bulkhead down on the front to get it to where it can lay out. There's the back servos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to somehow situate all four of these on the four-wheel steer channel, I think, and run them that way. I'm probably going to have to get a couple servo reversers for one side or the other. Then, pre-program the endpoints accordingly. I think that's how I'm going to do it. I was able to just get enough clearance wheelbase wise. But I really had to stretch it. I had to put all my spacers in the back on the front. I had to put them all in the back. And in the rear, I had to put them all in the front. But I think I just made it. I won't know until I get the body. Like I said, I'm just trying to do as much as I can right now. I still got to get I got to find the axle. It's around here somewhere. But there it is so far. Maybe tomorrow slap an ESC in it, get a battery, get a transmitter, get a receiver going. And we'll see what happens from there. So stay tuned. We'll have more progress. Probably going to put a little brace up there. You know, brace that up a little bit better. Jury's still out on that. That's my preliminary setup right now. I might take and notch this bulkhead down a little bit, just get this to sit lower, get a little bit more travel, maybe get it to where it's more stable on there. You know, really maximize my CNC cutting skills here. So like I said, we'll have more updates as they happen, when they happen. Peace.